One of the most common challenges, one of the most common emails that I get is, how do I transform my daily ingredients into a beautiful dish? Yeah, and so I've picked up all the daily ingredients of an Indian kitchen: lentils, turmeric, garlic, onions, and tomatoes. And we're going to do an interesting, amazing dish with Barilla Maccheroni. I'll show you how. So garlic gets crushed. There's this common misconception that lentils belong to India and Indian cooking is all about lentils, and it's a misconception that both India carries and the world carries. Only 3 lentils are native to India. Every other lentil has actually come into India. Lentil is the primary source of protein. I'm cooking a soupy lentil pasta. It has to be chunky. Commonplace ingredients and how to make them cool, exciting, interesting. There are many approaches to take. In this case, it's Barilla pasta. Never put garlic in cold oil. It's a good idea to rinse your lentils, but it's not a good idea to rinse your pasta. I'm just showing you a base. You can build it whatever way you want. Beautiful. The lentils, any lentil will become 4 times in volume, so please don't get excited and put too much lentils, otherwise it's going to be all lentil. When they are half cooked, maybe a little more than half cooked, we're going to add the Napolitana sauce and the pasta. Almost cooked but not fully cooked. This is the time when you get ready for putting the pasta. Be generous with water and trust good quality pasta and the lentils to soak up all your water. Italian chef's going to put the pasta.
Ciao, come stai? How are you? Yeah, so normally we cook the pasta in the boiling water with the salt. The lentils are almost cooked, we can put the pasta in. Simple is the best, so we like this.
Yeah.
Enjoy, cook with a friend, share with the family. That's our culture, also in India, no?
Family is the first platform. In India, you can do the same thing with leftover dal.
Nice.
Looks good?
Perfect. Are you eating pasta every day or eating more beans?
We're eating lentils every day for lunch and dinner.
Lentil is your must.
Yeah.
Pasta is our must. So
that's why we put it together. So now we can both have it for lunch and dinner. Usually the simple dishes are the best.
Perfetto. Molto bene.
Go make your own.